Hey guys, Ramshal here, and yeah, this place may look quite familiar. Well, it is. It's where we originally built the Red Dead Ravager, and well, I decided that since the next computer I built I didn't show it in public because I intend to keep it a quiet. It's a private rig after all, which I intend, well, I don't know. Ended up just showing it in public, presenting in public completed, but never showed how to build it. But yeah, the intention was never to show that one built, but I figured I might as well do one to show you guys how it's built now, because you know. So yeah, this time I'm going to show you guys how to build a moderately affordable computer as opposed to that exorbitant over-engineered piece of, over-engineered yet still went up in a puff of smoke. That is the Red Dead Ravager. Right, so yeah, welcome to another episode of Ramchal's Lair, one that goes back to our roots as computer builders. Right, this one is. So yeah, let's go. Right, first the bill of materials. We'll be reusing this Samsung SSD from the Red Dead Ravager as the primary boot disk. And then we have five 160 gig Western Digital Scorpio Blacks. These guys spin at 7,200 RPM. And well, they're a dime a dozen nowadays because they're old. Can get them used for about $10 a piece. I'm going for 5 piece because I like red. Okay, to back it all up, we'll have this 120 gig SATA SSD drive as a catching store. Yeah, I'm going to go catching store. And the RAM will be 32 gig. Again, this came from the Red Dead Ravager Ballistic Sport. So tested working. And well, we'll be going Ryzen again, as you know. So it's the motherboard of choice. This time I'm going with Gigabyte B450 Aorus M. I haven't gotten the CPU and the video card yet, but I already have it planned down. And no, I won't be reusing an RX 570 because I need this to be able to run VR as well. So yeah, that's on the way next week. We also have these two brackets because, this motherboard for some indiscernible reason still comes with parallel and serial. Even in 2018. Yeah, I think it's more good for mainstream users like pseudo businesses and those people who still, poor guys who still use serial modem they pick up at Goodwill or something. So yeah. And for the case, yeah, see that purple thing behind us? This is the case. The CoolerMaster MasterCase 600p. Oh, you see it here. I wanted to use the 500p, but I found out to my horror that the 600p are in first and the 500p will be in until next month. So yeah, we'll be using this. This isn't exactly my first choice of case either, as mentioned. I wanted the 500p, I couldn't get a 500p, so yeah. 0p, you'll have to work. Also have some accessories for the 0p. 2 additional drive trays. So yeah, this comes with the set drive tray, the 2 drive tray already. We're throwing in another 4. Give a grand total of 6. Very easy to look. And yeah, you can mount the 0.5-inch drive on this drive tray, but yeah. Oh, lastly, power supply. We'll be reusing the power supply from Edison, the Red Dead Ravager. I swapped out the 1.2 kilowatt from the Red Dead Ravager to it. So yeah, 860 watts. The video card I already planned it to be a Vega, and the CPU I planned it to be a 2700 No X version. I wanted the 2700E, but it's not available in Malaysia at this point, so yeah. In fact, it's not available anywhere at this point. Don't know what gives, but yeah, 2700 is good enough. And the video card, I'm going for Vega 56. I could go for RX 580, but I determined the 580 can't handle VR well. So yeah, the 580 is considered entry level when it comes to VR. Vega 56 is considered the normal value, considered the usable level, and the Vega 64 is the absolute high-end cream of the crop. Which I, as you know, I have the Vega 64 in the other, in Elite, or my Ryzen gaming build, the secret gaming build. So yeah. Alright, unbox this bad boy and start tinkering with it. Put it down first. Okay. Alright. I already inspected the case while at the shop this afternoon. But yeah, they sealed it up nicely for me. So yeah, it's not exactly the first time I've ordered this. So yeah. What you may see inside may have changed a bit. So there's the manuals, and they provided the case with this handy dandy canvas bag. Oh wow, tight. Yeah. Case comes in this handy dandy canvas bag. So right, let's get it out of this bag. Still like it at this point, but not for long. We'll be informed of falsified in this episode. So yeah, this is upside down. Set it right side up. Back. There. No, not yet decided the name. Actually, I've not yet decided on the full thing for this build yet. But yeah. Tempered glass side panels. The front panels are all held down by magnets, so they come off just like this. You go for the top, it's all magnetic. Yeah, for the side though, get the back off though, you have to take this panel off. So, right, with everything out of the way, let's get to the bottom of the machine. Yeah, the back bracket came off, and voila! That free drive bay down here, which we can get rid of. I intend to get rid of, by the way. Yeah, it needs proper screwdriver. Yeah, this small to tear down, so right, we'll have to take off the back panel as well. It's off. It won't come off from the back like this. Right, keep opening the screws here. This is the cabling panel. Okay, and yeah, let's see what we have here. Let's see. name this car, like maybe S-Kicker A++ or something. Yeah. Master fan. These don't meet my build requirements, so they're out. I don't have a replacement for them yet, but yeah. Supposed to be able to install 3 12cm fans in here, but I'm not seeing it. Not seeing how. So yeah. These are coming out. No, I'm not planning to rebuild the radiant Ravager anytime soon. Radiant Ravager. The GPUs are still here, but I decided in a spontaneous move that I don't want them. Kinda for the reason that they are not, powerful enough to do VR. I know the Radiant Ravager is supposed to be for video editing, but yeah, sometimes I want to do 3D VR stuff on it, and it just doesn't meet the requirements. So yeah, these two fans are out. But I'm not seeing how. So yeah. Okay, so right. Where does the RGB come from if it's not here? Right, I wonder if there's a updated cable that allows me to connect this to the main motherboard instead of using that janky and over-engineered God knows what this is and God knows where it connects to. What? If I don't want to use it, tough luck. I don't know. I'm a bit confused right now. I don't know what this is. I don't want this, but I don't know if I can get rid of it. Yeah. Okay. MasterCase is supposed to be extremely upgradable, but yeah. So. RGBs is software control. I suspect these two leads go right up to the USB hubs there or something. So yeah. Okay, so never mind. Let's take out the 4 screws. This is still not coming out. Thought it's supposed to be easy to work with. Right out, so don't want this. last one. Look, what one too many? I wasted some money. Okay. Let's drop this one first. Right. Okay. Maybe I put it down here with the other two drives, or I put it up here. Box. Okay. Oh god, it's torn. That's not good. Right. So. Oh, look at this. Micro RGB to RGB. I don't have to use that thing after all. Okay. Great. So, yeah. The fan letters too. Yeah. You don't have to use this thing after all. Like this. Like this. Right, and then you can just plug this in here. And voila, you connect this to the motherboard, just as I wanted to. But it's not even to go figure out where this cable comes from and not get rid of it. Yeah, as it turns out, what we want is provided, so yeah, happy. Right, they also give us some converters, but yeah, I'm not happy about conversion. I want to use spend for something else, but yeah. So, I want to get rid of this cable, I don't know how it goes. Where it goes to, how it sets the panel. Altogether, with some extra USB cable that, yeah. Appears to be some sort of light switch. Appears to be taking power from the power switch. And then I don't know what they're doing. Modify this. Yeah. You know what? I'll modify it. The R switch is going to be a reset switch. I think we need to toggle RGB. Yeah, we need for RGB toggle. Weird. But all things considered, this button probably does nothing when it's disconnected. So how to redo this here to, you know, make it proper reset button. Because, you know, not having reset is just ridiculous. Yeah, there's some work that needs to be done with this thing, but once you've done it, okay, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, apparently it's being used to toggle the reset switch being repurposed to toggle the power, to toggle the RGB controller. It all makes sense now. This is an RGB controller. It takes power from the SATA connectors and it uses and there's a 2-pin for input for you to switch the colors and all sort of funny things with the effects and such. So yeah, audio, USB 3, USB 2, HD, power LED, yeah, nothing for reset. Disappointing. Also, I want to mod in a reset properly. modify there, I think. Also here I can just make the, just modify this cable, cut it from here and then join it to a proper connector. But yeah, I like it more professional. Yeah, we'll think about that later. I'll get that off camera. So yeah. Why did it have to feel the need to let you change the reset switch to a light change switch, and when most motherboards nowadays come with RGB headers anyway. You should make the RGB headers different. For example, let maybe remote control or something. But yeah, I'm going to mod this case. Maybe I'll just maybe I'll just cut this and just use it as a cut this and wire in a proper reset switch. Because this is ridiculous. No need RGB. Motherboard comes with RGB. At first you just use the RGB converter or USB converter box. But yeah, there's really no need for this. So yeah, I might modify this. I want to modify this. Okay. So yeah, I want to modify this. So yeah, it's pretty much modifiable. I can modify this, no problems. All I do is split this off and connect this to a proper and drop this to a proper RGB hit, proper reset hit. Right. So yeah, I'm really talking here too long. So anyways, yeah. Alright, no fans in there right now. 5.25, I don't really need this, I can get rid of this. Honestly, I like to have a 5.25 inch drive, but yeah. The way things are going right now, these things are pretty much a legacy. Don't need these anymore. The way things are going, the software are all distributed online and on CD and on, well, not CD, online and on thumb drive instead. Yeah, we don't need this. Looks cleaner. Okay, I'll just have to modify this off camera. And yeah, pretty much all done. Use this to connect straight to the motherboard. What I want to do with this, so I know the direction to take this to. So yeah. Okay. Well, we're not going to do anything else with this case now. I think everything that needs to be done is already been done. So I'll just drive hanging like that. So I'll move it up. Completely empty case for the drives. Yeah. Right. So this case can only handle two fans on the front. It's supposed to be able to do 3. I think the third one needs a special adapter or something because I don't see any way to hold more than 2 fans in the front. Where to connect to what. So the rear fan will also have to come from will also have to be independently powered. Yeah. So to it, the RGB area on the front here and the CPU will be controlled controlled by the motherboard. The fans will be used. The fans will be taken from the fans will be down 12V brush, 12V fans, which means they are basically fans that just hook off the 12V rails, Molex rails, and do nothing in particular, no sensors, nothing. Because this motherboard only have connectors for 2 fans, so yeah. And well, you can put a third fan in. You can buy a 3 fan and a controller, but all the controllers I've seen so far are bland. They all have built-in clock and calendar, and the calendar expires in 2019. That's next year. What's the point of buying something that, you know, when you put it in 6 months later it expires? What's the point of it? No point in it. So yeah. All right. So let's get off the fans. The 12cm. There'll be 12cm control fans here. Uncontrolled fans in here. The top 2 fans are intended to be controlled. And yeah, that's about it. Okay. So yeah. Right, I'm sure you guys was already seeing at least install something in the thing, so yeah, I will probably just I'll just install the power supply. Just get the fans and everything else, but yeah. I already know the direction I'll take this case. I already know the direction I'll take this case. Yeah. Right, so yeah. Modification done, but we can do it. No problem. Just need graphic tape. Really research, I already figured out how these buttons work. And I've just determined that this button just, you know, I just need to graft on just need to cut it off and graft on a proper 2-pin connector to control the reset switch on the motherboard. Yeah. Okay. We're all here to see one thing. Install the power supply, so I'll just pack it up now. Let's get the power supply installed. See this. Everything battery. That way, do it this way. Okay, so yeah. Back. I don't need this. I have 4 screws in here. Like the screws right here. So yeah, C-Sonic Platinum 860, 3-year-old, still works like charm. Makes the occasional hissing noise, not whining, hissing. There is something to do with the Malaysian 50 volt power supply, it's slower. So yeah. Okay, so the screw hole doesn't line up. I'm not going to let it down. That's why it doesn't line up. I'm an idiot. Okay, so yeah. So it lines up perfectly now. I'm an idiot. Right. So so you can install it both ways, so it's one problem. Last hole, one of the third hole, better line up. Right, this the power supply is going in upside down. Notice how there's a grill at the bottom here. The reason for this grill is for the air, for any airflow fan to exhaust. So, right. Okay. This is stop. So I think this design is great. Seriously. Okay, so right. That's not like it now. Yeah, we'll just do it up. We'll just do it up to here. Okay. For top fans, I already have a decision of what I will use. Not the back fan, not the front fan, and the back fan. I want some more tuning. Anyway, yeah, I think that's it for now. I can't install the hard drives yet because I don't think the screws are they? So I need at least for 20 drive screws, and I don't know if they have that many. I don't know if they don't have any drive screws. Check. Yeah, I think I have a few drive screws in here, but it'll take forever. Anyways, well, if my works. Let's start. Very because you know that things happen if you touch the motherboard of the laptop hard drive. Don't really have enough in here, so I think I'll just put 2 on each drive for now, and then if I have more, I'll come back. Oh, by the way, this hard drive, they came from Cell every time because, well, not much as I'm retiring Windows XP, but yeah, I'm losing interest in Windows XP and I'm going to get interested in Linux. So Dongwa is getting a bit old in the tooth. That's the rationale behind this build. Dongwa is my previous Linux box. It's getting a bit long in the tooth with its Phenom 2 processor, and well, you can't stream using the Phenom 2 processor really because you can't use the NDIS, the new tech NDI communication platform, and I happen to use NDI very heavily in my workflow. So yeah, I have to retire all my Phenom 2 platform because of some stupid brain dead decision to not support make SSD4A heavy requirement, SSD 4.2 sorry. Just because of a requirement, stupid brain dead requirement to make SSD 4.2 mandatory. So yeah, I should have bought the SSD holder, which is more, more correct for this kind of work, but yeah. Well, I already planned, so plan, I guess. And then I had no idea. I thought it would come only one set of trays, so no idea it would come with 2. So yeah. You can see we're installing drives into this laptop drives. The last one. That anymore, I guess I'll come back to it, but yeah. Pilot the price. Need to see if there's any more. That's right. Okay. Last one. From a Taiwanese company called Panfly. I know, I probably should got something that from brand name, like maybe Kingston, but yeah, don't feel like it. Well, it's only going to be a cache drive, so it might as well be cheap and cheerful. I think the cache is going to be the performance is going to be much better than 5 drives in the RAID area anyway. The others will not vibrate at all, solid state. So yeah. And also, thank goodness the cases, the holders are plastic. This means no chance of shorting. So yeah. Alright. So that's it. All the hard drives. Oh, yeah, one more thing. Let's do this. Yeah. As I thought, this is a very, no, this case is not designed for performance. Definitely not performance oriented. Reason, it only supports 7 PCIe or 7 expansion devices. You're not going to get better performance, no. You'll need at least 8 for many performance devices, maybe 10 extreme cases, like the Red Dead Ravager. Yeah. For this, I'm going to be using a parallel serial. I'm going to be adding a parallel serial adapter because this thing has a this motherboard has a parallel serial port. So yeah. Probably streaming instead. But yeah. Then I'll add a serial port here because this motherboard has 4 USB 2 headers but only 2 CPUs in the front panel, so yeah, we're adding another here. More neat design one that comes on the bottom. Very neat. Point of this, but yeah. Look, okay, I can use this, so great. Should have center. So right here, because this motherboard is a micro ATX, so micro ATX means only 4 expansion slots I use. The rest, you can use it for wherever you like. So right, and basically you're supposed to cover it up or use back brackets like this. It's why I chose this case actually. It's not a good case, not a really high-end case, but yeah. The reason, because I want to use USB 2 and I want to use the USB 2 and a parallel serial port back then. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. That's all we should use for now. For the rest, I don't think I need this. That's about it. Alright guys, so that's all for me at the moment. Right, better tighten things up and then better tighten things up, for the day because I have to start streaming soon. Stop. Lock, sleep. Very basic, and I'm afraid of it. Structural integrity is low. I'm not having it right now, so take my head and clip. Yeah. What's this fit right? So dry space, the USB port and stuff. Once you use this, you can pop this up for more air. Airflow, pop this up front to increase a bit of front a bit to increase airflow. But yeah, I've done all the mod I want to do for this tonight. So, alright guys, that's all for tonight. Thanks for watching. Next week, we'll put together the motherboard. Right? We're signing off.